Hi, howdy, ni hao, konnichiwa, bonjour, salute, merhaba, starove, buenos dias, and welcome to my channel. Done here, and I just want to make a short video and let y'all know that my DA9 is running. Take a look. Yeah, as you can see there, it is printing the bottom plate so that my Wanhao can stand without falling down. Yeah, and as I was saying in Discord and on the live stream last week, end of this, for a few days ago, this coming month, I will be doing live streams and also videos, or I'm not sure. However, I will be building a hypercube. This will all be filmed, probably live. I'm not sure how everything will go and to which time of the day. But yes, and thanks to Rover sending me some files, I could finally get my second camera set up. This Microsoft HD 5000. It's not the best camera, but maybe it can help. I'm not sure. Unfortunately, well, let's just say that eBay, where I got that Elgato game capture card for my video camera, which would have been a lot better. I got that for 40 euro, for 45 euro 50, and 4.50 postage, 50 euros. Yeah, and after about 3 weeks, he sent me my money back because I did not receive that package. And as far as I know, he sent that package on the cheapest way, however, and that's a sending where, well, let's just say, if you send the package as a so-called material sending, that's a package that is not sealed up, because the post has the right to open it up and check to see if the inhalt is correct, and close it back up and then send it on its way. But you know, if some a-hole opens it up, sees what's inside, he might say, oh, that thing is worth a lot of money. Yeah, he might steal it, you know. You never know. And also, such a sending within Germany takes a long time to get from the sender to the receiver. And that was such a darn good grab, because that sales ended at 2 o'clock in the morning, and I was up until then, and I got it. Now, if you want to get another one used, go up to 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 euros, and a new one costs about 150 euros. I would love to just buy a new one, but unfortunately I can't afford that. Unless some of my viewers are willing to help me out with that, would be nice. You know, my PayPal, my Amazon wish list, and everything's down below. And also, if you take a look at my Amazon wish list and you go to the file section Hypercube, you can see what all I still need to order for the Hypercube. It might take me until October, I'm not sure, because I can't buy everything at once. Although I do have a friend helping me out with the parts for the frame and everything. You know, I can't expect him to buy everything that I need. But yeah, anyway, everything's going good. And as you probably saw, I have glue tape on my bed. There, just simple and easy. I took my old magnetic bed and put glue tape on it. Had to re-level the bed a little bit, and now I have no problem printing at all. My prints, they stay on the bed because, well, let's just say that magnetic sheet, that is just like what I used back in the early 90s to the middle 90s for magnetic plates for car signing. And you know, I had a company called Neckerman. They have what you call order and pickup shops all around in Germany. They had them a long time ago, back then, and I knew some of the people that had such a shop close to me and a little bit further away, and because they did not want to put all of their advertisement direct on the car, well, I put it on magnet plates big enough to fit the door or wherever, and all they had to do is just put that on the car when they were delivering things, you know, and when they were at home, they could take the magnet plates off, lay them in the car so that nobody would steal them. Yeah, but you know, that's the type of magnet plate that Wanhao is using for their magnetic bed. That thing, the bed does not have a special type of surface on it where you could say this is like a pale poly, or this is like a build tack. No, it's not like that at all. I was thinking all the time maybe I have to use a glue stick or hairspray or something, but well, let's just say I got about 3 or 4 prints off of one, and after that I couldn't get anything to stick on it again. So I thought, well, before I go and put any type of hairspray or something on it, I have a rolled blue tape. Okay, I'll try that out and see if that works. And see there, it works perfectly. But yeah, anyway, like I said, this is just a short video, just to let you know what's going on. And my X-Wing, well, all 4 wings are finished. All I have to do is just put that together. That base plate, as soon as that is done, it will still take about 9 hours before that's done. Then I have the base plate. I already have the middle stand piece for it. Fit that all together, glue it together, and then I can put my X-Wing on it, and I will make an extra video for that so that y'all can see it. That thing, well, it is standing right next to my Johnny 5, and we all know the Johnny 5 is 70 centimeters tall, and my X-Wing right now, it's about 5 or 6 centimeters short from that. I'm talking about a 64, 65 centimeter long X-Wing that I printed. But yeah, as always, if you're not a subscriber, please do subscribe. Click the bell so that you know when the next video comes up. Hit the like button, please. And, well, if you can help me out, down below is my PayPal, Amazon wish list. Take a look. Maybe you can say, oh, okay, I see the Don needs this, I needs that. Hey, I can help him out. That would be safe. That would be so great, and I would be grateful for that. But as always, until the next time, happy printing, and take care of yourselves, yeah? Bye.